Dear Father, mission and vision of yours untie the excellence of our school, reaping the benefits of your guidance, perfecting knowledge throughout. Happy are our children today as proud Vanavanians, and your prayers and blessings bestowed this all. Malika George, retired teacher of Vanavani.
Father Murphy, who was the founder of Vanavani, was a great gentleman. He was very much attached to Vanavani. He used to pay a regular visit to school to encourage the teachers and students. We teachers will eagerly wait for his visit. He will enter into a classroom with Mrs. Peters and sit at the back bench to observe the teaching and interact with the students as well. While he leads the class, he used to issue chocolates for all the students of that class. He will meet all the teachers at the staff room and give a suggestion. He used to arrange for teachers' picnic. The school building was in a butterfly shape with swinging doors. Only 3 sections wing up to standard 5. It was only a primary school, 30 students in each class. We had class teacher system for standard 1 and 2. We felt as mothers to them. LKG and UKG were in separate building with play materials. In 1969, KV started at IIT. Many of the IIT employees took TC from Vanavani. The strength started declining. Father Murphy invited all 15 teachers and requested us to look for job in various schools. He asked me to go and serve for deaf children at Tenambet, that is Little Flower Convent. With his recommendation, I worked in that school, taking deaf training after the school hours. He used to pay a guest visit to that school often. Whenever he comes, he used to call me as godchild and have a cup of tea with Mother Superior. He used to collect used clothes and unused study materials from Vanavani students and offer them every year before Christmas for the orphanage students of that school. Even annual answer papers of Vanavani students will be sent to blind children of that school, as they use them for their Braille system. In June 1971, Father Murphy sent me a letter saying that Vanavani regained the strength and as he doesn't want to leave my service to Vanavani, he called me back to rejoin. I said so. I did so. Since then, till my retirement, I worked at Vanavani. I am proud to say that I worked 30 years in Vanavani. Hope till date no one experienced so many years, including with the principals. Vanavani started with less than 200 kids and grew till 2000 now. Middle school, high school, laboratory, computer section, PT section and new blocks for KG sections were introduced one by one. In the beginning, Vanavani followed Anglo-Indian system, that is January to December. After 1980, it was switched over to June to March. Best Teacher Award was given to appreciate sincere teachers. I was also one among them. Even many more things come to my mind about Vanavani and Father Murphy. I will give way to others and take leave with the memory of his last days at Loyola College. He was honored to have a permanent place there under the earth. Pranams to Father Murphy.
Hi, I am Savitri Tyagarajan, retired principal from Kendriya Vidyalaya. I am overwhelmed to recall my experience in Vanavani Matriculation High Secondary School. Some 40 years back, I started my teaching career in Vanavani under the beautiful banyan tree. The seed was sown under the able guidance of Mrs. J. Peters, who was then principal. Madam was a strict disciplinarian, of course a needed one, excellent English teacher, and who expected a high degree of perfection in every bit of work from everyone. I learnt ABC of teaching in a perfect way during my tenure in Vanavani. Time will not be sufficient to speak of my time in that long, big physics lab, a heaven for any physics teacher. I owe my sincere gratitude to two IIT professors of that time, Sri Srinivasan ji, Madam Asla's husband, and Sri Sarangpani ji, As a novice, a physics teacher will have 100 doubts. These two gentlemen always cleared my doubts so that I could excel in my teaching profession. The love and affection showered by students did not have any boundaries. My 5 years in Vanavani was so golden period. My colleagues were awesome and very helpful, and still I remember the fun fair that was conducted for the first time. The foundation was so strong that I could complete my 40 years in the field of education very successfully. I wish all Vanavanians a very happy Founders Day. The only nightmare I had was my class teachership for class 11 for all the 5 years. Cheers and be proud. Jai Hind.
Hi friends, I'm Chandra Rajaraman, a retired teacher from Vanavani, talking to you from California. The name Vanavani makes me travel back in memory lane. The 15 wonderful years I served there in a very, very happy atmosphere with friendly teachers and a beautiful place to serve. The school was surrounded with, it's in the woods of IIT, and it makes us all very happy to be there teaching the kids, and it was my great pleasure to have taught in Vanavani for 15 years from 1983 to 1998 with very, very happy and helpful teachers and a lot of loving students. Thanks to social media, the students are still in touch with me, and it gives me great pleasure as a retired teacher to be having such wonderful beloved students. I wish Vanavani all the best to be producing such good students, and I wish it becomes the best school not only in Tamil Nadu, not only in Chennai, but the whole of India. I am very, very happy to be a part of this celebration. Bye bye. Wish you all the luck. Bye.
Good morning, Vanavani. I am Mrs. Thailambal Vishwanath, retired teacher, Vanavani, with a teaching career spanning 33 years. It is a very special day for Vanavanians, it being the Founders' Day. Rewind to the initial years, to the beginning. Vanavani, the goddess of the forest, resided in the campus among lush tall trees, chirping birds, naughty monkeys, and the gentle fawns and deer. Father Murphy, an Irishman and a long-time Indian resident, envisioned a school amidst nature, and he zeroed in on the IIT campus. A small building with 12 rooms opened by shutters was built, and open classrooms without disrupting the living species there was the norm. Mrs. J. Peters, the then and first principal, was handpicked to run the school. A strict disciplinarian and an extraordinary academician, she was proficient in both English and Tamil. Her students, I am sure, can still recall with clarity and pleasure her booming voice, her dramatization, and her style of presenting characters. Her classes were an unforgettable and incredible experience indeed for her students. Teaching was never easy under these stalwarts. Juxtaposed between Father Murphy, who did not lay emphasis on degrees and certificates, but was impressed only with what the teacher brought to the classroom, to Mrs. Peters, who wanted us to interact, not lecture. The school was a learning curve, not only for her students, but also teachers. A chunk of my life was spent in Vanavani, nurturing and igniting young minds. Today, when I meet students not only in India but also abroad, their success stories impact my success and pride in being a nurturer and facilitator. I conclude with Dr. Kalam's quote, Learning needs freedom to think and freedom to imagine, and both have to be facilitated by the teacher. Unquote. My mission in life is fulfilled. Fast forward to today, Vanavani has grown king size and is an institution that promises only to bring out the best in each student. This noble profession needs service and sacrifice as teachers shape the nation's future and destiny. Jai Hind.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraga, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaga. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ஆர் ஜெயலக்ஷ்மி. இந்த வனவாணி பள்ளியில் சுமார் 36 ஆண்டுகள் பணிபுரிந்து ஓய்வு பெற்ற தமிழ் ஆசிரியை. இன்று ஜூலை 8 வனவாணி பள்ளியின் பிறந்த நாள். 1963ஆம் ஆண்டு ஜூலை 8ஆம் தேதி ஃபாதர் மர்ஃபி அவர்களால் வனவாணி பள்ளி துவங்கப்பட்டது. வனவாணி, வனம் என்றால் காடு, வாணி என்றால் சரஸ்வதி, கல்விக்கு அதிபதி. சரியான பெயர் பொருத்தம். அன்று முதல்வராக இருந்தவர் மிஸ்ஸஸ் ஜெபமாலை பீட்டர். இவர்கள் இருவரும் சேர்ந்து பள்ளியின் வளர்ச்சிக்காக மிகவும் பாடுபட்டனர். அந்த பாடுபட்டதன் காரணமாக இன்று வனவாணி பள்ளியானது 58 ஆண்டுகளில் மிக நவீன வசதிகளுடன் 12ஆம் வகுப்பு வரை இருக்கின்றது. ஃபாதர் மர்ஃபி பார்ப்பதற்கு எளிமையானவர், அமைதியானவர், பள்ளியின் வளர்ச்சிக்காக பாடுபட்டவர். இவர் மட்டும் அல்லாமல் முதல்வராக இருந்த மிஸ்ஸஸ் ஜெபமாலை பீட்டர், அவருக்கு பின்னால் வந்தவர்களாக மிஸ்டர் ஐயா சுவாமி, மிஸ்ஸஸ் விஜயகிருஷ்ணா, மிஸ்டர் டியூகே மேனன், மிஸ்ஸஸ் புச், மிஸ்ஸஸ் நளினி பார்த்திபன், மிஸ்ஸஸ் நிர்மலா கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி, மிஸ்ஸஸ் ஷியாமலா பிரபு, மிஸ்ஸஸ் காவேரி பத்மநாபன், இவர்களுடன் இன்று தலைமை பதவியில் இருக்கின்ற மிஸ்டர் சதீஷ்குமார், இவர்களின் உறுதுணையினாலும் ஆசிரியப் பெருமக்களின் உழைப்பினாலும் பெற்றோர்களின் ஊக்கத்தாலும் அலுவலக பணியாளர்களின் முயற்சியினாலும் இந்த பள்ளியானது இன்று சென்னையிலேயே மிக முக்கிய இடத்தை பிடித்துள்ளது. இங்கு பயின்றவர்கள் பலர் இன்று வெளிநாடுகளிலும் மிகப்பெரிய பதவிகளில் இருக்கின்றார்கள். இது எல்லாம் நமக்கு பெருமைதான், மகிழ்ச்சிதான். பிரியங்கா என்ற மாணவி IAS முடித்து இன்று துணை மாவட்ட கலெக்டராக பதவியேற்று மக்களுக்கு நல்ல சேவை ஆற்றிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார். கூகுள் CEO-ஆக இருக்கின்ற மிஸ்டர் சுந்தர் பிச்சை அவர்கள் கூட நம் பள்ளியின் மாணவர்தான். இன்றும் இந்த கொரோனா காலகட்டத்தில் முன்கள பணியாளர்களாக நம் பள்ளி மாணவர்கள், பல மருத்துவர்கள் இன்று சேவை சாதிக்கின்றார்கள். இதையெல்லாம் நினைக்கும் பொழுது மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கின்றது. மாணவர்கள் இன்று பெரியவர்கள் ஆனாலும் அவர்கள் பள்ளியுடனும் பள்ளி ஆசிரியர்களுடனும் நேரடி தொடர்பில் இருக்கின்றார்கள். பள்ளி வளர்ச்சிக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்கின்றார்கள். இந்த பள்ளியானது இன்னும் சீரும் சிறப்போடும் பல்லாண்டு வாழ வேண்டும் என்று இறைவனை பிரார்த்திக்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.